Time to give you your black aprons. Time to remind you that one of you is not going to be in this race tomorrow onwards. Ipsita? Cook your hearts out. And your 60 minutes start now.
It's important to get out of this black apron because who likes going back to home?
It's my second week in the black apron. It's not a very good place to be in. I'm really looking forward to cooking a good dish today and seeing to it that I get out of this apron.
When it comes to Mexican cuisine, I know nachos or tacos is definitely one of the elements. So I attempted to make it.
So I'm planning to do a grilled eggplant stack with charred bell pepper sauce. And I'm trying to see if I will have enough time, then I will do pasta sheets, but I don't think I have that much time, so I'm just going to stick to the eggplant stack and the bell pepper sauce that will go with it.
I'm trying to prepare some chaat here, so I've just seen the ingredients and everything, so I'm still preparing in my head.
I got my tomatoes on right away because they had to go in the bell pepper sauce. I started charring my bell peppers, started cutting the eggplant. While cutting the eggplant, I realized that ideally for a dish like this, you need to have a denser, bigger eggplant that is thicker and will stay crispy after it's grilled. What I had was small brinjals, really. They weren't even eggplants. But I'd already thought of the dish. I could have switched it at that moment because I was so decided on what I wanted to do. Even though my ingredients weren't really working out, I still decided to go with it.
I chose Mexican because I really like making guacamoles and salsa. And those are very staple dishes in a Mexican cuisine. And luckily I picked up some mint. So I'm gonna add some mint to my salsa, which is gonna make it fresh, and it's a really hot day. So hopefully that will come together.
I saw that it's a beach and it's full of people and people like to have tidbits. Nobody would just generally sit and have a whole dinner. And due to I got Indian cuisine, so I thought a chaat would be a good idea. So I went along with 2 kinds of potatoes and 1 paneer skewer on it because I wanted to really keep it small and simple so that people could just take it and eat it, and I had to serve those many portions.